how we can use the uh, print parameters which are the end separator. How we can use these two symbols in our programming language to make our program effective. Let's see through an example. We have learned the how we can use the print function and what are the different ways in a previous video also. Here suppose I have written something, this is my file, and after that I have written something is hello world. Suppose in our programming environment there are different ways that we have discussed in the previous video. Suppose in this video we will learn how we can use end and separator parameter. Basically the use of the end parameter is, if I am writing anything in the next line, whatsoever I've written in the next line, if I want to print with the previous line content, for that I can use the end parameter. Let's see how it will show us the result. First time when you are executing the things, it will show you the result. Now here I have written everything in the I have written two sentences in two different lines, but by using this end symbol I have used it. Let's see through one more things. Suppose I have written class here, and after that if I am executing it here, then it will show us the class in the next line. Wherever you want to print the next line content in the same line, for that you can use the end parameter in the previous line. The next line content will show you the result in the same line. Here you can see the difference also. I have written the things, and then there is no need to use the end of parameter in the last line, because after this there is no more line. I hope this much is clear to you. You can use any symbol also. Here, if you are not putting anything in the double quotes, you can start with the, you can enclose in the single quote also. It is not necessary that you have to put the double quotes. Rule is same. If you are starting with double quote, you have to end with double quotes. Let's see. It will show. Here I have put some space here. Here I have not put any space over here. If you are putting some space, then while adding the next line content, it will add some space. Suppose instead of putting some space, if I want to use any symbol, then after adding the next line content, it will add that symbol. You can see here. Suppose you want to terminate any line with any symbol, or after adding that symbol, you adding the next line content, if you want to add some symbol, you can add multiple symbol also, your choice. Then it will add that much of symbol, that much number of times. I hope this much is clear to you. Use of the end parameter. Now let's see how we can use the separator, another parameter, which is SCP. If this separate sim parameter is working only when we have specified two words in our sentence. Suppose this is one sentence, and after that if I am adding one more thing, suppose I am writing the name Tina over here, then you can use this separator symbol. Separator symbol means when we are separating one word with another word, for that we can use the separator symbol. Let's see here, I have not put anything in the quotes. Let's see how it will show me the result. There is no gap or nothing specified in these two things. You can see here. Now if I, because I have not put, as now I am putting some space over here. Now let's see how it will show you. Basically separator is used with the multiple words. Suppose here I am writing one more name, or if you want to write multiple, this is your this is that, suppose, then here I am specifying multiple things, multiple words, or I am separating with spaces. Then you can execute and see the things. Suppose you are not getting the things, then you can put any symbol between these things. Then while adding another word, it will add that symbol. Here you can see. Normally the concept of separator and end is that, so when we are using the end symbol, for end is used to take along the another line content with the same line, and separator is used to show the things multiple words in the same line with a particular symbol. Here I can show you the both the things. Here I have put the some symbol between all the words. Here I have just added the another line, this with hello, and while adding another line content I have put some symbol. And is used to combine the next line content with the same line. Separator is used to combine multiple words either with space or with some symbol. If you don't want to put any space between these things, then you can see it will not add anything. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.